Next up is arguably one of the most infamous and iconic box fans, the Lasko 3733. This thing is iconic out of the one country it's sold in, which is kind of insane to me. This one doesn't work. It's from like 2012, I think. And it's all nasty and rusty. Let's see if it survives the drop test. No. This thing is so pathetic. I don't need a tool to use. Yeah, I don't even need tools to smash this thing. It's just falling apart. This thing is just so pathetic. The fancy handle. Metal outlet. Fancy happy handle. That's so pathetic. Why are all these Lasko motors so crap? Everybody's gone. It was so pathetic. The end of the Lasko 3733.